How to fix Valorant has encountered a connection error. In order to fix this issue, let me head over to one of the articles which is gonna guide you and help you out with your issue. So this is one of the articles which has provided you the step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. So the issue might arise due to the unstable internet connection, DNS and network configuration issue, background application and many more. In order to fix this issue, the first thing you want to do is you have to change VGC startup type. Firstly, press Win plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and click OK to open the services window. After that, what you want to do is you have to locate VGC service in the list, right-click on it, and then select Properties. In the Properties windows, set the startup type of automatic, then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Restart your computer to apply the new settings. Once it has been done, now the next thing you want to do is you have to disable the background applications. Any of the application that is running in the background, you have to close or disable it. Once it has been done, now the other thing you can try doing is you have to flush the DNS and then reset the network settings. Firstly, open the Run dialog box, type in CMD and then press Ctrl+Shift plus Enter to open command prompt as an administrator. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig/flushdns and then press Enter. This will clear your DNS cache and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Valorant has encountered a connectivity error. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.